If you want to get updates about the performance of your posts on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to turn that setting on. This is useful if you want email alerts about how your posts are doing, so you can stay on top of engagement without constantly checking the app. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. On the left navigation bar, click More. This opens the full menu with extra account and settings options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account preferences and notification controls are located. Next, click Notifications. Inside the Notifications area, you'll see different options for how X can alert you about account activity. Now click Preferences. This section lets you control what kinds of updates you want to receive and how you want to receive them. After that, click Email Notifications. Here you'll find the email-based notification settings for your account. Look for the option labeled Updates about the performance of your posts. Toggle that setting on. Once it's enabled, X will start sending you updates about how your posts are performing. That's it. The setting is now turned on, and you'll receive performance updates through email. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more X and social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.